I'd like to welcome you to AscendSocial training videos, and we are going to focus on the general setting section of AscendSocial. We're going to be working in the social app settings, submenu number 2, configuring LinkedIn app, which is how AscendSocial speaks to LinkedIn. Now you can see we always start with the home page of AscendSocial. So from here we're going to click on the general settings. We're going to go to tab number 2. We're going to come over here to where it says social, select social media settings for configuration. We're going to click on LinkedIn. And this is the area and the information that we're going to need in order to configure LinkedIn with AscendSocial. So what we need from AscendSocial is going to be client ID and client secret. The information, like always, that I prepare for when I'm doing this is that this is the information that I feel that I'm gonna need in order to fill out the request from LinkedIn. I'm gonna need the display name, contact email, description, and my website. So if we was to click on this little tab here, that will bring us to this particular page. And this is we're inside LinkedIn, and the two things you want to do. You want to be logged into LinkedIn. That means that you have to have a LinkedIn account. You don't have a LinkedIn account, then of course you can't configure this. But you have to be logged into your account. If you're setting up any of these apps, you have to be logged into the system first. So we come over here and click on Create Application. And this is the area that we're gonna be filling in the information that they're requesting. Okay, so we're going to start with here is that the name, and as far as the company name, if you want to, you can create a new company. I'm just going to leave it it's already configured for me for AscendSocial. So let me just I'm going to copy this. Don't give me a hard time. Control C, paste that there. My description here. Paste that. Now, another thing too, when you're working with LinkedIn, you have to have a logo. Like they said, the logo is 80 by 80 pixels. So since I have one created, I'm going to upload it. Application use. You go down here. I'm gonna say mine is for networking. For you, it might be something different. Website URL. This is the URL of my website that I want to configure this with. I'm saying this is my business email address. And I'm just going to create a phone number. Okay, so my next step, I'm going to click on I have read and agreed with the LinkedIn API terms of use. I'm going to check that. Then I'm going to click submit. Okay, so now I'm going to come back over here to AscendSocial, and you see what it says authorize redirect URL. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to come down here. Now, right here, I have the client ID and I have the client social. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Come down here and do the same thing with the secret. So, but before I go any further, I want to do an update, make sure everything is saved. Okay, so now that particular application now has been created, beta test AS. So now my next thing, I'm going to go ahead and open this page up. So now I have to do some authentication. So I'm going to click this button here and everything goes okay. We'll get a green light. Okay, so it's saying that my LinkedIn account is talking to AscendSocial dashboard. Click allow. Thank you for authorizing. We'll take you back to your dashboard. So now I want to go back here one last time. Go to tab 2. I want to go to LinkedIn, and I want to use the built-in URL shortener. So I'm gonna click yes. So that's, of course, if you don't understand, that's going to take a long URL, which could be a redirect URL, and it's going to shorten it. So I'm going to use the Google shortener that's built into AscendSocial, and then I'm going to click save, and that completes the configuration of linking my LinkedIn account to AscendSocial. Thank you.